Hey guys, watch along as I transformed our spare room into a nursery for our first baby. I will be removing the carpet, so I'm starting by removing the baseboards before I paint the walls. I tried to remove the baseboards without damaging the walls. We decided to paint a green accent wall. I'll be adding strips to create some texture to the accent wall. Now that the painting is done, I'll be removing the carpet. Carpet is much heavier than it looks. I'm making sure the floors are cleaned before I install the vinyl flooring. Other than vinyl flooring, we were considering laminate, but we decided to go with vinyl because of its durability. I may consider making a DIY tutorial on how to install vinyl flooring. I'm cutting the baseboards to size. It's easier to paint the baseboards before they are nailed down to the wall. I paint over the caulking with semi-gloss paint to prevent the caulking from getting dirty and making it easier to clean. This is the strip I'm adding to the wall. It's similar to a board and batten style. I'm patching up all the nails and adding caulking to give it a finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.